this is Mahesh. So today we are going to look the topic simple interest and compound interest. Okay, simple interest and compound interest, which is also same direct method, and we are going to use unknown by known value method. Okay, so if you are coming to this video at the first time, then go and watch the percentage video, because that is the base of solving simple interest and compound interest. Watch that video. After that, unknown known part as well. I think you might have watched those two videos. Then let's get started. So today's topic is simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest and compound interest. First of all, you need to know what is interest. Interest is this increase or decrease. Interest is increase, obviously, which will increase the value. You are investing in somewhere and you will get back more than what you have invested. That is what interest. Okay, so in percentage we have seen two topics in increase: percentage increase and value increase, successive percentage increase as well. So three topics, but the first two topics, percentage increase and value increase, will help you to solve simple interest, and successive percentage increase will help you to solve compound interest. We are not going to use any formulas. Anyway, the conventional method formula is given here. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is the words. What are the meaning of those words, letters, and then variables? So here simple interest is PNR by 100. That is the conventional way of solving simple interest. P principal and N number of years and R rate of interest. And S is simple interest, and amount is principal plus simple interest. So amounts to, I have invested 1000, which amounts to 1500, which means 1000 is principal and 500 is simple interest together, which is 1500. That is amount. Amount means principal plus simple interest. Next, simple interest is direct increase. As I told you already, percentage increase, value increase, both will come. Percentage increase alone you need to find out, then substituting in unknown known you will get the answer. So percentage increase can be calculated in number of years and rate of interest. For example, 10% per annum for 2 years means what is the rate of interest? First year 10%, second year 10%, together 20%. The same question, 10% per annum for 5 years, what will happen? 5 times of 10%, which is nothing but 50%. That is direct increase here. Next, if the question is about 20% on 2.5 years, then which is also will give you 50%, which is nothing but just multiplying number of years with rate of interest. That. So here principal is always 100%. We have been seeing that if a value is there which is 100%. In percentage itself, I told you that if there is a number which is always 100%. When you come to profit and loss, if it is cost price, purchasing price, which is always 100%. When it comes to simple interest, principal amount is always 100%. You are investing certain money and that is always 100%. That will be back to you by increasing 100 plus some percentage you will get. That increase percentage is based on your rate of interest. Okay, principal is always 100%. So we'll solve the problem here. Find the simple interest of ₹8000 at 10% per annum for 2 years. 10% per annum for 2 years. What is the percentage? Yeah, you are right. 20%, which is nothing but N into R. You don't need to worry about that. 10%, 2 years, direct increase. What will happen? 20%. So 20% simple interest is 20% is what I have to calculate. What is the value I have? I have the value ₹8000. What is its equivalent percentage? This is the principal. No, this is the amount I am investing. No, what's its percentage? Which is 100%. So answer you need to find for 20%. When you box it, the solution is there. So fix the unknown known. What is the unknown here? 20%. Because the question is to find simple interest alone. So 20% is unknown. Unknown value, you know that 100% value, which is 8,000. Cancel this, you will get the answer. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 20 into 80. 2 into 8, 16. 2 zeros are there. 1,600 rupees is the interest. So interest here is rupees 1,600. If the question is about how much the other person should return after 2 years, then amounts to, that is the amount. Then you have to calculate the principal plus rate of interest. If the question is about amount, what you will do? 8,000 is the principal plus 1,600 is the rate of interest, 9,600. Or else you know that 20% is the simple interest, directly you can place which is 120% here. You can directly find out 120% because the increase is 20%, you know that, and then you can directly find 120 is the numerator. When you substitute 120 here, you will get 9,600 as the answer directly. Okay, that's all simple interest. We'll get into the compound interest part. What is compound interest? Compound interest is nothing but successive increase, which is nothing but for the first year, if there is an interest of 10% means you are investing 100%. Whenever you are investing, which is always 100%, principal is always 100%. On the first year, you will get 10% as interest together, which is 110. On the next year, you will calculate 10% interest for these 100 plus 10, 110%. 10% of 110 is what the interest for the next year. So successively it is increasing. That is why compound interest is different from simple interest. Okay. Compound interest formula, the conventional way of solving is compound interest equal principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. That is what the formula, conventional way, regular way of solving. Then we are not going to use that here. Here we are going to use successive increase. Already told you successive increase is directly equal to compound interest. Okay, principal number of years and rate of interest, compound interest amount is principal plus compound interest here. Okay. Simple interest is direct increase, compound interest is successive increase. So successive increase, what is the formula we have? A plus B plus AB by 100, or else A plus A plus A into A by 100. Why? Because the increase will happen in the same manner. For 2 years, 10% rate of interest means first year is also 10%, second year is also 10%. So the value both are same. That is why you can take it as AA. Okay. We can calculate only for 2 years. If there is 3 years means first you have to find out the value for first 2 years. After that you have to take it on the third year, AB. Again you have to substitute to find out the value. A is rate of interest. Okay. Principal is always 100%. You know that. You should not forget that. Okay. That. So the questions may be annually or yearly. Compounded annually. The question may be compounded annually. Annually means 1 year once. Compounded half yearly means half year once. Compounded quarterly means so every 3 months once you have to rotate. Okay. That's all. So compound interest. We'll solve the problem now. Okay. Find the compound interest of rupees 8,000 at 10% per annum for 2 years, compounded annually, compounded yearly. Both are same. Okay, that. So first of all, how will you find 10% per annum for 2 years in compound interest? Very simple. Already I told you that compound interest is successive increase. We are going to use the formula A plus B plus AB by 100. First year 10% and second year also 10%. That is what you have to take and write here. Okay, first year 10%, second year 10%. When it comes to simple interest, first year 10%, second year is also 10%. We directly, this is direct increase, so directly we will add these two, 10 plus 10, 20%. Here when it comes here, you should not add directly 10 plus 10 because here you have to use 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100. Okay. By solving this, what you will get? We'll solve. 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100. So solving this, 20 plus 1, 21. 21 is the answer here. 21% is the increase. Compound interest is 21%. So listen, here we know the increase is 21%. Then directly you could find that value. No, what is the percentage of this value? Rupees 8,000, same as 100%, which won't change because the principal amount is always 100%, which won't change. You don't need to confuse in that. Okay, now the question is to find 21% because compound interest alone is the question here. So box it and you will get the answer. So what is the unknown here? Yeah, correct. 21%. 21% is what you have to calculate. 21% is what you have to get, and you have the value for 100%, which is 8,000 rupees. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 21 into 80 is the answer. What is 21 into 8? 21 into 8, 168. The answer is 1680. So interest is rupees 1680. Okay, that here if the question is about amount, total amount should be returned after 2 years in compound interest. If the question is about amount, then you have to add principal plus compound interest is equal 9680. Okay, that is the total amount. If the question is about amount, means directly you can place 121 here, 121 in the numerator, 100 in the denominator, and then into 8,000 you will get the answer. That's all compound interest and simple interest basics.